Hi guys, welcome back to Videshi Tadka. So guys, first of all, I'm really sorry for not uploading a video for last 2 months. I was running a little busy. And anyway, these 2 months were quite uncertain, not only in Canada, not only in India, in fact, in every part of the globe due to the obvious reasons of coronavirus. So I thought to make a short video, because I'm getting a lot of calls from my friends and families that what's the exact picture and what's the ground reality here in Canada as far as COVID-19 is concerned, and what's the impact. As we all know, there has been an impact not only in Canada but to every single person on this planet, be it a salaried employee, a businessman, a restaurant owner, a student, and so on. But if I talk about Canada specifically, the cases were on the rise from March to May end, but now we are able to flatten the curve, thank God, and thanks to all the people who are working day in day out to flatten this curve. So if I talk about the financial impact, yes, everyone has been impacted. To start with, many people have lost their jobs in last couple of months. Many people have been laid off temporarily, permanently. Many restaurants have been closed. Everyone has been affected, but thanks to the government of Canada, who has been providing some financial support in the light of CERB payments that are being made to the citizens and the residents of this country. So that has been of a huge help. But yes, this is temporary measures, but ultimately economy is going down. And one thing which I want to discuss in this video, I'm getting a lot of calls and messages from many of my friends and families. I know there are many people who have their PR visas in hand, and they're just waiting to land into Canada to complete their documentation, to complete their migration, and so on. I have been telling to everyone, if they can postpone their migration. I know making a soft landing within some timelines is important to continue their PR visa, but if they can postpone, that is going to be a wise decision. So my videos, the intention of my videos is to not discourage anyone. I know I may sound a little negative, but I want to give you guys a real picture that if you have a decent job, if you are if you are doing well in your home country, at least in this era of COVID-19, you should not come to Canada or in fact any other country on a permanent basis. Wait for a year or two, in fact at least for 18 months, to see things going stabilize in home and host countries, and then you can always decide to migrate. So for now, please postpone your visits, please postpone your migration, spend time with your families, take care of your health and yourself. So that's my advice to you all. Okay, so guys, before I end this video, I just want to say one last thing. Corona has taught us one thing, that you should not be relying on one job or one set of skills. Like for example, if I'm a CA, I should not restrict myself that I'll be doing only accounting, finance, tax, payroll, etc. I mean what a CA normally does. I should add one more skill which should be different from my existing set of skills. Like for example, I can do something in the human resource management, which is not directly linked to what my profile is, but it is indirectly linked. Or I can do some blue collar job as well. I should learn that. I mean, we should always have a backup plan, especially when we are dealing with this tough situation. There can be another situation in coming years also, except apart from Corona. So that's a lesson which I have learned. I am working on things. So my suggestion is you should also be adding some set of skills to your existing bucket, to your existing kitty, and that can save us all to deal with these pandemics and the tough times. So with this, I sign off, and thank you so much, and I'll try to upload my videos regularly. And thanks for your time, and subscribe and like to my channel. Thank you.